In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download SmartThings. This app is a great tool for managing your smart home devices. It works on both Android and iPhone or iPad, so no matter which device you have, you can follow along with these steps. First, let's start by opening your App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. For those using an iPhone or iPad, go ahead and open the App Store. The App Store is where you can find all sorts of applications to download and install. Think of it as your gateway to enhancing your device's capabilities. Now, with the App Store open, the next step is to search for the SmartThings app. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your go-to place whenever you need to find an app. Type in the word SmartThings and hit search. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. These suggestions can sometimes help you find what you're looking for even faster. Once you see the search results, look for the official SmartThings app. The key here is to ensure you're selecting the app published by Samsung Electronics Company Limited. This is crucial because there may be other apps with similar names. Choosing the official app ensures you get the most secure and reliable experience. Remember, SmartThings is Samsung's official smart home control app for your TVs, appliances, and other smart devices. This makes it incredibly convenient to manage everything from one place. After locating the correct app, it's time to install it. If you're on an Android device, you'll see an Install button. On an iPhone or iPad, you'll see Get. Tap the respective button to begin the download process. You might have to wait a moment for the download to finish. This step is important because it sets the stage for controlling all your smart home devices seamlessly. As the app downloads, let me share why SmartThings is a valuable app. It allows you to control smart home devices from different brands in one convenient app. This means you don't have to juggle multiple apps to manage your smart devices. However, it's worth noting that some features, like certain SmartThings Find tools, may perform better on Samsung Galaxy devices. That's something to keep in mind if you're using a different brand. Once the app is installed, you're almost ready to start using it. You may need to allow permissions like Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi. These permissions are essential for the app to function properly. They enable the app to connect with your smart devices and provide the best experience. Don't worry, granting these permissions is a standard procedure for many apps that require connectivity. And there you have it, the SmartThings app is now downloaded and ready to go. You're all set to start controlling your smart home devices with ease. Remember, having everything in one app not only simplifies your life but also saves you time. Thanks for following along today, and enjoy the convenience of SmartThings in managing your smart home.